Storm Track 7 forecast on KWWL.
Good evening and thank you for logging on. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. Things are going to get pretty messy here starting for tonight, making our way through tomorrow as we see a wintry mix arriving. This will start around 3 a.m. for the viewing area, and then as temperatures warm up for tomorrow, rain and snow does look likely, and we'll have a winter weather advisory going into effect for portions of the viewing area. That's why your threat tracker is going to be so high. After that, we'll see some cold Arctic air returning for most of the work week, and we'll focus on that here in just a second. Let's go through future track here. We did see some snow in the northern portion of the viewing area earlier on today, but that has all pushed out. The clouds, they have made their way back in, and we are going to be mostly cloudy for the rest of this evening. You also see temperatures here on this map. Notice by about 3 a.m. that wintry mix starts to push in from the south, showing up here as rain, but notice those temperatures in the 20s and 30s below freezing. This will likely fall as freezing drizzle or freezing rain, giving us that glaze of ice for the Monday morning commute. This will continue to really blossom out and push off to the north as we make our way through the morning, and that's when temperatures will start to warm up. So really from 10 a.m. on, we'll see our temperatures on the southern half of the viewing area in the mid to upper 30s and even 40s. So from there on out, we should mainly see rain. Before the northern half of the viewing area, temperatures still just slightly right around or just above freezing, and that's going to give us a mixture of rain, snow, and maybe some sleet throughout the morning and into the early afternoon. Temperatures will hover right around freezing or even drop below freezing by the mid-afternoon to the late afternoon for areas north of Highway 20. That's when we start to introduce some snow into things. That snow could be heavy at times as we make our way through the evening hours. And finally, just before about midnight, we'll start to see all of that pushing out of here. And then after that, the winds really pick up from the northwest, and we'll see some pretty cold temperatures moving in. With that snow forecast, overall best chance will be north of Highway 20 for areas like Chickasaw, Winneshiek, and Alameda County. That's where we could pick up 2 to 4 inches overall. We'll have a little band of 1 to 2 inches from Dubuque to Elkader and Owine, pushing off to the west. And areas south of there will mainly see rain, so we'll pick up less than an inch of snowfall for areas south of there. Otherwise, the ice accumulation, I'll just blanket everybody in that for really Monday morning, as we'll see that chance for freezing drizzle or freezing rain. Especially those untreated roads, we may see that glazing of ice, so use extreme caution for the morning and really the evening commute as well. There's that winter weather advisory, Winneshiek, Alameda, and Chickasaw County. That really goes from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., but we could see that extended later into the evening if that snow can continue. So for tonight, we'll break down for you once again. Temperatures will be in the 20s and 30s as that wintry mix pushes in, and that could give us that freezing drizzle or freezing rain, and therefore some ice heading into the Monday morning commute. And then for tomorrow, temperatures do warm up. It's going to be mild with highs in the mid to upper 30s and even low 40s for some. And that'll give us mainly rain south for the southern half of the viewing area, and more of a wintry mix of rain, snow, and sleet for the northern half. Best chance for snow will be north of Highway 20. Here's your city-by-city forecast. Cold air pushes in after that. Highs will be in the 20s for Tuesday as we get partly cloudy skies, and it looks like we'll be dropping down into the teens for Wednesday. Notice the low of 4 degrees below zero for Wednesday night heading into Thursday morning. Our wind chills will likely be below freezing and really below zero, I should say, for most of the time from Monday night all the way into Wednesday. But then we start to get some sunshine back into the viewing area as high pressure moves in, and notice our temperatures starting to warm back up by the end of the week and into the weekend as we're back to the upper 30s and even low 40s for highs.